And so here's the setup. Here's the setup. The receiver is connected to the hot shoe multi-interface from Sony. So as I told you before, it doesn't need any cable outputs or connections on cables, because it does everything automatic in the hot shoe interface. So if I had a Rode wireless, since it's a non-Sony system, I will have to attach wires and all that. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be doing my measurements. So I'm gonna walk over like to the first pole, and I'm gonna use this pole as a point of reference, and then I'm gonna walk over to the other pole all the way at the end. I don't know if you can bring it into view, but that pole there, something tells me that it's approximately some 200 feet away, and the camera system is back there. So I'm about probably about 25 to 30 feet away from the first pole, and but I'm gonna take like exact measurements. So I'm gonna be using this app to take the measurements. I'm beginning now the range test, and we are beginning at 0 point, which is here where the camera is. Where the camera is located, which is right here. This is where the camera is located. And now I'm gonna start walking away. So I am now within, I just gotta add my point. So I'm gonna be walking, and I'm gonna stop like right here. So I can tell you more or less what the distance is. Right now it's approximately 52 feet away. I'm approximately 52 feet away. I'm gonna keep walking, and you see? So I'm gonna keep walking. I'm gonna stop like halfway before we get to the igloo. And if I'm not mistaken, that's gonna be approximately 124 feet away, but I'm not really sure. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here where the igloo is, halfway to the igloo. This is halfway to the igloo, 131 feet away. So right now I'm with 130. I'm gonna keep walking towards the igloo. Here's the mic system, the ECM-W2BT. Okay, so I have reached now the igloo. So you can see the reference point igloo is right there. So right now I'm at 223 feet away. So at this point, I'm gonna make sure I ask my son to bring me zoom range. Please. Are you? I'm gonna keep going farther out, testing the range of the mic. On the description, it reads 650 feet range, which, I mean, I don't see any realistic purposes. We'll be shooting so far away without the cameraman moving into the subject of the scene. Now here I am, let me see, here I am 314 feet away. And I mean, at this distance, I'm not even going to bother to go further out, because I don't really find a purpose. There is no circumstantial situation I would assume that would merit a cameraman being so far away from the subject. So it's a two-man crew. Usually you and your cameraman are going to be walking at a very close distance, unless you're in an extreme situation, so like a storm, or like what news lancers do. So I mean, I might go a little bit out. I'm not sure if the mic cut out or not. I am not sure at this point. And I haven't even reached the 600 feet maximum device. So here I am. Right, the distance is, let me go in there. My distance right now is 383 feet away, and I can't even see the igloo from this distance. So 383 feet away, and I'm gonna start closing in. Again, just in case I lost audio, I can more or less know where the audio was picked back up. So here I am walking back. I am walking back now. So as I said, we reached 383 feet. 383 feet, and if the audio didn't cut out for this long of a distance, this is a great microphone system, you know, from Sony. The good thing about it is that integrated with the hot shoe mic, their proprietary connection system, that it doesn't need any extra wires or mic inputs, and it's just like a plug and play. That's all it does. So if I was using, on the other hand, a Rode wireless tool, I would have to have this extra set of cables attached and all these other things. So this is a plus, because like in my case, I do use a Sony camcorder system, and it is compatible with other Sony systems, camcorders and regular point and shoot cameras. So as far as compatibility, there's a lot to choose from if you do use Sony systems. So this has been the test range of the ECM-W2 Bluetooth wireless mic system from Sony. Thank you again, guys. Thank you, and we're back here at the camera. Thank you, guys.